In the silence between two heartbeats, I heard a whisper that was not mine. It came from a place beyond, seemed a voice that it went from the realms of light, not of this world, not of time. It is spoken of truth in a world dense orange, a call to the soul, gently yet strong, as if I had knowing it all along, O seeker of truth. The voice did say, you wander in the shadows, throughout it is day. The light you seek is not far or near. It lies within where there is no fear. You search in books, in stars, in sand. Yet the truth lies quietly in your own hand. The heart is a mirror. Polish it clear, and you shall see the beloved near. I closed my eyes to see more cruelly, felt his presence surround me dearly, not in forms or names or sound, but in stillness where love is found. I have walked through desert of Dubat, cried under the moon, the let the fire burn out, yet through each dairy happy my flame, and thou me love is not a name, it is a surrender, a sacred fall, a journey genward beyond the wall. You do not find God is reaching above, you find him in murky acts of love. Every breath is a prayer, silent and deep, each heartbeat a secret the soul must keep. He is in the broken, the humbly the king. King not in the mighty or proud of mind or soul. Unchain yourself from this race. This world is fleeting, a passing phase. You were born of light, and to light you return. But only if the inner lamps those bronze seek not the throne, the crown, the gold, for none of these are yours to hold. Seek in saints the praises that I stay still, the love that guides through darkest days. When I speak, let it be His word. When I walk many, I follow the breaths, for they know no fear, no shame, no past. Only trust that the ski will last, and when I fall, as I always do, I shall rise again. As morning, as morning dew, softly, silently driven to the sun, knowing my journey is never done. For this love is not of man, of our mind, it is the breath of the most kind. He writes his name upon my skin and every scar is indeed with him, so I shall walk this road with grace, with stars in heart and light on face. No longer lost, but now aware that he was always everywhere. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and